Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to know about some amazing cryptocurrency statistics that you need to know. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, then make sure to press that red button to stay updated with the latest upload. Then without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Bitcoin was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009. Since then, it has experienced massive growth. The amount of success that Bitcoin has achieved exposes the flaws in our traditional banking system. It has also brought about thousands of other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins. Several businesses around the world now accept various forms of cryptocurrency as a means of payment for goods and services. Let's have a look at fascinating cryptocurrency statistics. Bitcoin had a market capitalization of $1,072.21 billion as of February 21, 2021. The global blockchain market will go up to $23.3 billion by 2023. The highest number of global daily Bitcoin transactions in first quarter of 2021 is 367,536. Between 2012 and 2020, Bitcoin has gained 193,639.36%. The market size for cryptocurrency will get to $1,087.7 million by 2026. The user index for 2021 shows a 97% confidence in cryptocurrencies. Turkey is the country with the highest rate of cryptocurrency adoption, that is 20%. The figures mentioned above are jaw-breaking, considering the relatively short time that cryptocurrencies have been in existence. We believe this should give a hint as to why the world is clamoring for the increased adoption of cryptocurrencies. Let's talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, blockchain, and the different milestones attained thus far. A post on Bitcoin surfaces on social media every 3 seconds. A recent cryptocurrency stat revealed that there are 28,866 social media posts on Bitcoin posted online daily. If we do the math, then about 1,203 posts are made every hour. That is about 20 posts per minute. Bitcoin's price has grown by 66% in February 2021. In January 2021, the digital assets rate was just $30,000. By February, it went up by about $20,000, according to cryptocurrency stats. Even more impressive, it was only worth $10,000 a year ago. That makes a 400% increase in value by first quarter of 2021. Hodlers must be super excited since they can now sell their coins at a profit. Tether was the biggest cryptocurrency as of February 22, with a $109 billion 24-hour volume. Tether has recently been growing in popularity. It hasn't always been smooth sailing for the virtual asset, however. Big names like New York's Attorney General were once its #1 critic. He argued that the USD dollar didn't 100% back the coin, therefore it might not be as stable as it claims. Tether did not deny the claims and revealed that the dollar's endorsement was 74%. It has, however, proven its worth over the years and currently serves various markets. While Bitcoin clocked in about $56 billion during the last week of February 2021, Tether did almost double that, $108.77 billion. According to cryptocurrency statistics for 2021, Tether and Bitcoin took the first and second position, respectively. Ethereum took the third spot with $24.51 billion. Ethereum got about 1 million daily transactions in 2020. Ethereum, Bitcoin's top competitor, had the highest amount of transactions per day during fourth quarter of 2020. Bitcoin transactions per day show that it only got around 330k, almost 4 times lower than Ethereum. As of February 2021, Ethereum was still at the top with 1.2 million transactions. Bitcoin managed to do at least 272k. There was 667 million new crypto malware by March 2020. As of January 2020, they had unleashed over 600 million sneaky crypto malware. According to cryptocurrency security statistics, that number had increased by around 16 million by March the same year. This is among the most dangerous threats because it can mine for crypto in the background without arousing any suspicion in a process known as cryptojacking. Go for solutions with behavioral intelligence to block any attempts for installation. For threats that are already in the system, AI-driven counter-intrusion tools will work best. The first 10 cryptocurrencies with the highest market cap make up about 88% of the total cryptocurrency market value. This includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin, Binance Coin, EOS, and Tezos. Cryptocurrency exchanges around the globe exceeded 300 as of 2020. Crypto exchanges serve as middlemen between cryptocurrency buyers and sellers. Their services support fiat for cryptocurrency and crypto-to-crypto transactions. According to Cryptocurrency Facts, they were 300 plus in 2020. According to Statista, Binance was the winner with $28.85 per 24-hour volume as of February 2021. The second position went to HBTC with $14.44 billion, while Hidax Exchange took the third position with $12.19 billion. The number of Bitcoin automated teller machines, ATMs, as of January 2021 was 14,915. As of the first month of 2021, the number of complex and basic crypto ATMs was around 14,000. In February, there were 915 new machines. Genesis Coin is the largest manufacturer of the devices with 34.6%, while the second biggest is General Bytes, with 30% of the market share. The confidence for cryptocurrency as of January 2021 is almost 100%. Institutional and retail interest in Ethereum and Bitcoin by investors dramatically rose in fourth quarter of 2020. In a 2021 survey of over 60,000 users worldwide, 97% of them confessed their faith in digital assets. According to cryptocurrency statistics, over half of the respondents consider venturing into AI. There are about 900 new coins in the market every day as of 2021. Every 10 minutes, the number of bitcoins in the market increases. Miners are always excavating new blocks. The average per day is 144, and each throws 6.25 coins into circulation. That makes 900 cryptos daily. As of February 25, 2021, 1 Ether is worth $1,500.87. As you may know, crypto prices are always going up and down. According to CryptoStats, as of February 25, the cost of Ether rose by $18.99 on a single day. Compared to January data on the same date, Ether's value has improved by $131.78. As of January 2021, there are 18.6 million bitcoins in existence. According to CryptoStats, miners have managed to unearth over 18 million coins as of 2021. The figure is slightly higher than that of 2020, about 300k. Here, something that miners can look forward to. As of 2021, there are about 361,018 bitcoins in repositories waiting for the luckiest miners. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If so, share it with your friends and hit the like button. Signing off for today. Till then, take care. Peace out.